If you want to reset your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 without using your phone, then the first thing that you can do is you can open settings. So we're gonna swipe up on the watch face to open the list of apps, and we're gonna go to settings. Now over here in settings, we should be able to find the general option. So let's go ahead and open this. And then in general, we can find the reset option. And up here, we can factory reset our watch very easily. You should be able to follow the rest of the instructions in case any shows up to hard reset your watch and erase everything that you have on your watch. Now, in case you cannot really go to settings, for example, your watch is locked and you don't remember the password, what you can also do is you can use the recovery mode. In order to go to the recovery mode, first we're gonna press and hold both of these buttons, and we need to keep holding them until the screen completely turns off. So even if you see the power menu, you want to keep holding to force restart the watch. And once it happens, once the screen shuts down, you want to release both buttons and then wait for the rebooting text, which is going to appear after maybe even a minute or so. Unfortunately, at least in my case, Galaxy Watch 9 takes quite a bit of time to force restart. It is very slow in that case, and it restarts very, very slowly. But once you see the rebooting text on your screen, you want to repeatedly keep pressing the home button, so this upper button here, until you open the, I believe it is called reboot mode or rebooting mode or something like that. So let's wait for the rebooting text to appear. There we go, and now we're gonna keep pressing the home button, and once the rebooting text disappears, then you can stop doing that, and then we will see this menu here. So yeah, we have the reboot mode now. In here, you want to press the home button to navigate in this menu, and we want to choose the second option, the recovery boot, and then press and hold the same button, so the home button. Once you hold it for a couple of seconds, the watch is going to restart itself, and then you will see the recovery mode finally. Now in here, we navigate by using the back button, so the lower button, and you want to keep pressing until you have wipe data / factory reset selected. Once it is selected, you just want to press the home button to confirm your selected option, and after that, most likely your watch is going to restart and you will have the initial configuration again. In case it doesn't really restart and it goes back here to this recovery mode, then you want to choose reboot system now and confirm. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.